Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to fix the missing emojis on Android. So let's jump right into it. Now you might hear about new emojis coming out, but you cannot find them on your keyboard. To find them, probably you'll have to do a system update. So let's go ahead and go to settings and find your system updater. For me it is under About Phone. Just tap on About Phone. You might find it on the bottom right here. For me, it is in the top. Tap on it and then tap on MIUI version for Xiaomi phones. You can see here that I have an update available. I can tap on download update on the bottom right here. And once the update is installed, I will probably find the new emojis. Now, if you cannot find them like that, or you are in a hurry, you don't want to update your phone, just go to your Play Store and then find Gboard. For me personally, it is the best keyboard for Android, and install it and make it your default keyboard, or just update it if you have it already, and you might like that find the missing emojis. And that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below and subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you later.